What is going on? This is your girl Adriana coming to you from beautiful California, and you're here because you want to learn more about the email processing system. What is the email processing system and how can it change your life? Okay, email processing has completely changed my life. My team members are also having success. I'm having complete newbies with zero experience come in and follow my step-by-step training, and they're making an additional $500 a week, an additional $3,000 a month, right? By following my simple step-by-step training. Now, what is the email processing system, right? What are we doing? We're pretty much copying and pasting pre-written ads on social media, right? Such as Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, on Craigslist, on YouTube, right? When somebody responds to those ads, they purchase the product, you get paid 100% commission, right? So what do you need to have in order to qualify to join this business opportunity? First of all, you need to be able to receive payments through a PayPal account. So if you can open a PayPal account, which is free, right? You can open a free PayPal account. And if you have a smartphone or a laptop or a desktop, and if you have Wi-Fi or internet connection, those are the three things, three qualifications that you need to have in order to be able to join the business, okay? If you have those three things, then you are able to become your own boss, right? It's 2018, right? People are changing their lives. They're making an additional 6 figures working from home just by simply using their smartphone. And so exactly what is the product that we're promoting? The product is a digital-based product, right, that has marketing strategies, marketing training to show you where to post these ads, right, how to close your sales, and how to get paid directly to your PayPal account on a daily basis, right? What if you didn't have to wait every 2 weeks to get paid, right, like at a regular 9-to-5 job? I remember I used to work 2 full-time jobs, and I had to wait 14 days, 2 weeks to get paid. But with this business opportunity, you get to create your own schedule. You get to wake up whenever you want, go to sleep whenever you want, work for how many hours you want, right? And you can watch the step-by-step training in the comfort of your own home, right, at your own pace, and you can start generating the income that you deserve, that you desire, okay? And so I want you to watch this video all the way towards the end, because I'm going to show you some testimonials, right? It's not just me having success. Today is January 16th, right? January 16th. So in the last 2 weeks, since the beginning of 2018, I've been able to make over $9,000. I'm going to show you that right now. I'm going to log into my computer and I'm going to show you I've been able to generate over $9,000, right, by using this simple step-by-step system, okay? And so not only am I having success, right, because at the end of the day, people always ask me, hey, Adriana, I know that you're making money. I know that you're having success. But what about your team? Is your team being successful? And I'm actually going to show you some testimonials of all the team members that are having success. You can see the screenshots. You're going to be able to see the screenshots here where we have complete newbies making their first $100 commission, making enough money to go take their entire family for a nice vacation. We have people here that have quit their jobs and now are working full-time, generating income on demand, right? And so these are real people, right? Just like you and me. All of us, right, want time freedom to be able to do the things that we love, or you want time freedom to just be able to spend time with their family or friends or children, right? And so you can have that. But I'm going to tell you, now that it will take work, hard work and dedication. And so you need to understand that this is not a get rich quick scheme. This is a legitimate online business opportunity that can forever change your life. So go ahead and watch the remainder of this video. I'm going to show you proof in my merchant account and show you been able to make over $9,000. So if you want to learn, if you want to get access to the step-by-step training that has allowed me to fire my 2 bosses, right, travel the world, purchase my brand new car in cash, right, move to my new place, then go ahead and pay attention. I will see you at the top. So now I'm here in my computer. I'm going to show you here live. I'm actually going to go ahead and click refresh. Okay, so you can see that it's not a fake screenshot. It's my back office. You can see right here. That's my name, Adriana Villegas. And today is Tuesday, January 16. You can see right here. So I'm going to show you here. So from the beginning of the year, right, January 1st, today is the 16th. Okay, today is the 16th. I'm going to click on that. And then I'm going to click on submit. You can see it's loading right there. And I'm going to scroll down here. As you can see here, I've been able to make over $9,000, right, with this simple step-by-step system. And it's not just me winning, but my team is also having major success, okay? If you want to get started, if you want to start copying and pasting these pre-written ads on social media, right? And again, when somebody responds to those ads, they purchase the product, you get paid 100% commission. This is me right here. This is my Facebook. Once you get started, this is what I want you to do. I want you to message me. Send me a message on Facebook. You can see here, I'm a real person, okay? Okay, I have a pretty big following. I have over 23,000 people that follow me. I've been working from home since it's been over a year now. And so I have a lot of followers because I'm teaching complete newbies how to make money from home. Okay? So I'm just showing you this to show you I'm a real person here. I love to give a lot of value and just train you. So if you're willing to help yourself, then I can go ahead and give you the step-by-step training. This was here on New Year's, had a great time. But you can see that I'm just showing you because, you know, a lot of people say, well, you know, she's just lucky that she is accomplishing all this stuff. But I'm not lucky, you know, I'm just a determined person that gives value that, you know, really I decided that I deserve more. And so I went ahead and took action and I took a risk, and now that's my beautiful sister there, my girlfriend. So we had an amazing time. This is for New Year's, you can see here. So I'm just showing you proof here that, you know, this works. This is a legitimate online business opportunity. And, you know, you can truly change your life. There's my family as well. You can truly change your life. So again, if you want to get access to the step-by-step training that has allowed me and my team members generate an extra income working from home, then go ahead and get started with me today. Go to www.richmindsets.com. Get started. Other than that, I will see you at the